was listening to a podcast this week, and it was all about don't wait, do it now. He was really talking about New Year's resolutions. He says, why wait until the beginning of the year to make a resolution and start on your journey of meeting the resolutions? And I'm like, that's a really good idea. Why do I have to wait until the beginning of the year to set a new goal? I can start my goal now, which means I should reach my goal sooner. So I think we're going to do that this year. We're going to start resolutions today. Got a lot of peeing going on there, boy. Yes, you do. You got a lot going on. Yeah, so as we're walking today, we're going to talk about some resolutions that I'm going to make. And they start right now. Today we are at Pilot Knob State Park near Forest City, Iowa. This hike is about around 5 miles. So it's going to take us a couple hours after we get through all the pee breaks. And I've been to Pilot Knob, quite a few times, but I have never done this whole trail. So we'll see what the trail looks like, see how it goes. And we'll make some resolutions. So I've got 3 resolutions. One is for health, another one is for soul health, my third and final one is for financial health. So I hope you watch the whole video so you can see what my resolutions are, and you can probably help me stick to them. Yeah, goals are good. Hold up. Up. Side. Side. Oh. Side. my first resolution is health. So the resolution is to be at 24% body fat. I looked it up, and for men my age, it's supposed to be between 19 and 24 would be considered healthy. So I'm gonna start out at the top at 24. I don't know what my body fat is now, so it's something definitely gonna have to get tested. The goal will be 24%. This year, I started practicing carnivore diet. I lost 60 pounds. I've gained 10 of that back. You definitely can feel the difference in that in my knees, but I definitely feel a lot better than I did prior to starting to eat carnivore. That was pretty hardcore for the first 4 months. It was literally beef, eggs, and butter. That's all I would eat. And I was feeling really good. Knees felt a lot better. Bringing the 10 back, or gaining the 10 back by eating dirty. The last 3 months, I would say. So a mix of dirty eating and carnivore. Gained 10 back. I can definitely feel that on my joints. Not just the weight, but also the inflammation that occurs when you eat highly processed foods or carbs. I'm not talking unprocessed vegetables, but yeah, so I definitely know I can feel better. So the goal, 24% body fat, and or losing another, what would that be? So a total of 100 pounds is what I want to be at. So by the end of next year, or this time next year, I want to be another, what would that be? Another 50 pounds lighter, or 24% body weight, or body fat. And I'm doing that and or because at 24% body fat, that's pretty healthy, especially for a man my age. 54, going on 55. But I'd be happy with that because that means even though if I'm heavier than my goal weight, I'm still in a good position body composition wise. So goal number 1, 24% body fat, or 50 pounds less by this time next year. about you?
Good.
We're doing tandem dog walks.
Huh?
We're doing tandem dog walks.
Oh. Yeah.
You've
How's
got,
the weather there?
oh, it's really nice. It's 42 right now, I think. It was almost 60 yesterday.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it got up to 80 here.
Wow.
Too hot.
Too hot for December for sure.
Too hot.
For us, this 42 degrees is perfect.
Yeah. Actually, sounds really nice.
We're making a video right now, so you're on a video. We're making a video right now, so you're on a video.
Ooh.
Yep, you're famous. Tracking it really, and most of that's offline. So I'm just going to keep both of them and go on with my second resolution is to walk 600 miles. Walk, hike, say 600 miles in 2025. Right now, 465, I think, for this year. So I want to ramp that up. That wouldn't be quite 2 miles a day average, but it would be pretty good. So 600 miles for 2025. Now the only caveat with that is Abby must be along. We're hooked. Ugh. So yeah, resolution number 2, 600 miles next year. We can do it. So the 600 mile goal seems like a health one, and there would definitely be benefits to being healthier or walking more. Oh, there's a cemetery over there. What the heck? We're gonna have to check that out. But really the reason for the walking 600 miles, that's more to soothe the soul, to heal the soul. Get outside, get some vitamin D, that's another benefit. But it makes you feel better, living all that. But definitely that's not a health goal, but a soul goal. This is good for the soul, man. It's good for it. So, my third and final resolution, which is coming up really quick here, you're gonna have to wait for it, because I'm like constantly waiting for him, so it's only fair that you wait for me. So stick around and see what my third resolution is for the upcoming year. Well, it's not a graveyard. You know what it is? Hey, hey, look at me. It's an amphitheater. Let's go down here. Right here. It kind of looks like a graveyard, doesn't it? Kinda. Whew, I wouldn't want to sit on them seats though. That might be a little bit uncomfortable. Just a wee bit uncomfortable. Yeah. That's pretty neat. Pretty cool. So my third and final goal, the financial health aspect, is to save 40% of my take-home pay. So when I say take-home, I mean after insurance and after taxes. I will include any 401k takeouts. So even with that, 40% is about twice what most economists say is a good way to save for retirement. Me, I want to retire earlier, and I want more money in it, in my retirement account. Thanks for letting me take a break, buddy. So that we can do this all day, every day. Not just on nice weekends. Right, Cabbers? So there we go. Third and final resolution. 40% of my take-home pay. Saved, save/invest. All right. Got them all. 3. That's pretty good. Let's go, buddy. Come on. Come on. I don't think you're listening. Oh, jeez. You're too strong. I think you just pulled a tendon from my foot. Yeah. On the road again. We're hiking on the road again. Just my dog, Cabby, and me. We're hiking on the road again. This is a forest road. A wood road. Oh, look at that. Hello, woodpecker.